Hi dear brothers, today we'll discuss about the philosophy of disaster management. At first, we have to know what is disaster. Disaster is a sudden and serious event that causes significant damage or loss of life. So, time is very short. That's the philosophy of disaster management. Disaster management is based on the philosophy of saving lives and protecting sufferings or reducing sufferings and protecting resources uh, during and after the disasters. And these are the main philosophy of disaster management. And another disaster management philosophy is resilience. Resilience is the ability of a community to return or to recover to normal life.